Welcome, today I am with iPhone 13 mini, and today we are going to check if this smartphone comes with lightning cable and the box set. So that's very obvious that we don't have here a charger, but take a look inside. Yeah, we got the the lightning cable to charge our iPhone. So yeah, that's nice, but that's the big chance that in the next years they will also get rid of that lightning cable and we will only stay with this SIM tool and stickers. So yeah, that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.